or lose or throw into the song. Get it if you satisfied. It's all time is never stopping me. Drop the clue, connected but cutting through.
Alright.
1, 2.
That's it, fellas. You know, yeah, we got to get this done right. We got to make it what? We got to make this crack.
There's only one capable way. These unbreakable patterns, unescapable.
Alright, what up?
The party is so strong. We paying homages, brothers returning favors. Candy for your ears, here's now. I'll hear us later, we capable. Make no mistake if we break a few rules, make a few moves, and drop a few jewels on top of your views. Unstoppable dudes, using third optical tools to rock a few grooves. You got it confused melodically. Use rap to sonically bruise cats. Harmonies move over chemically glued tracks. The ripper.
The mic from the earthquake stake, shaking up your life, no aftershock. We blow the spot from the top, we have to rock. Ain't that much time on the clock, can't rock. Keep it moving now, pick up the pace. We drop and hit the ground, running, winning the race. Limited space, limited pace at any rate. We take your mind to the realest estate. Cause the
Round 2.
Ooh, with this. I'm just gonna sit here and lay it back to this nice mellow beat, you know?
Oh,
smooth lyrics. It's 88.
I know, pal, wake up.
You know what I'm saying? And there ain't no half stepping. Word. Rappers stepping to me.
Yeah.
They wanna get some, but I'm the king, so yo, you know the outcome. I'm not the victory. They can't get with me. So pick up CJ, cause you're history. I'm the better poet to get lyrical. For you to beat me, it's gonna take a miracle. And stepping to me.
Whoa! Come on, crowd, wake up. That was good.
Competition. I just devour it. Like a pit bull against such a flower. Cause when it comes to being dope,
round 2.
now let me tell you why. The B-I-G-A-double-D-Y-K-A-N-E. Dramatic, Asiatic, not like many. I'm different. So don't compare me to another. Cause they can't hang. Word to the mother. At least not the principal in this category. So when I roll on your rappers, you better be ready to die because you're petty. You're just a part of life. I'm a machete. This nigga you wait until when you
Last round. Boogie, go.
because you try to be basic. Friday the 13th, I'ma play Jason. I'm talking about game puzzle or riddle. The name is Big Daddy, yes, big, not little, so define it. Take your walking paper, sign it, and take a walk as the case start to talk, cuz.
He's not finished.
My fielding court, then I second thought. The happenstance coming out sounding so similar. It's quite confusing for you to remember the originator. And boy, do I hate her, perpetrator. But I'm much greater. The best, so yes, I guess suggest the best. Your best, no best. Unless you just address the best, finesse and bless the paragraph. Some say sinister, non-stop in the groove until winning. So the climax, relax and chill. Have a break from a take of me acting ill. Brain cells are lit, ideas start to hit. Next, the formation of words that fit. At the table I sit, making it legit. And when my pen hit the paper, oh shit. I stop staying strong over MCs and devour with the power of Hercules or Samson. I go further to left, cause you just got my cameo and I still have strength. And no, that's not a living if you try to whip or get whipped. The man with the given gift of damn vocab, I only ignore. Be sleeping on your rhymes till I start to snore. You can't awake me, make me.
Wait, you always do that. You go bored and football.
When you wanna step to me, I think you should know.
Alright, Cozy.
And dear, I feel musketeer that would dare to compare. Put them in the red, that dear red, you can't see clear. Get a better idea on their steer. Yeah, sworn to be, wanna be competition. Trying to step to me, must be on a mission. I'm on the stage, is where I'm attention. You think I'm losing? Picture that.
Alright, make some noise for your competitors, y'all. Booty Bones and Cozy. Whoa, what the heck? Friendship handshake, alright. Friendship jutsu. Alright, so right now we have Benzie.